Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna talk about 10 things everyone needs to know how to do. So let's get started. Number 1. You should know how to start a fire without matches. You never know when this might come in handy. A fire is one of the most important elements for survival for a human being, providing warmth, light, and energy. Number 2. You should know basic survival skills. Should you ever be stranded in a forest or forced to survive outside, you would want to know the best places to get water, what you can and cannot eat in the wild, where to build a makeshift bed, how to catch a fish, and how to correctly cross a river, how to keep your core body temperature high, and much more. Get a survival guide and begin learning. Number 3. You should know how to grow your own vegetables. Even if you live in a city, you should make an effort to learn to grow your own food, including all kinds of vegetables, herbs and fruits. It takes a lot of skills, experience and time to make these plants yield valuable output. So if you are interested in learning this, don't waste another minute. You might need these skills one day. Number 4. You should know how to swim. If you don't know how to swim yet, you need to seriously consider learning. There are a number of emergency situations where you might need to swim in order to survive or help someone else in the water. Number 5. You should know how to change a tire. It is possible you get a fault while on a trip one day, with no access to a car repair place, perhaps even stranded in the middle of nowhere. What if no one on this trip knew how to change the tire? Changing a tire is something you can learn how to do in a matter of minutes. That could save you lots of time and headaches on your next road trip. Number 6. You should know how to jump start a car. This isn't as easy as it seems. If you watched your parents do this in the past but never learned for yourself, now is your chance. Don't be unprepared when the need for it arises. It's very useful knowledge to have and very common to need this skill one day. Number 7. You should know how to code. Not knowing how to program will soon become synonymous to being illiterate. It doesn't seem this way yet, but this age is coming. If you don't know how to program, you're merely consuming the whole world around you. With programmed, it is important to know how to navigate this new world by being able to tell the computer what to do. Number 8. You should know how to build a website. Another issue of basic technological literacy, everyone should have a website, whether it's personal or for a business. If you don't know the basic of building a website, you have to hire someone or buy a template. You are going to benefit a great deal from learning. It is also a great way to earn side income. Number 9. You should know how to think critically and question the status quo. With all this information at our fingertips, now more than ever, we need to be able to think for ourselves, question the current way of doing the things, and be critical of all forms of media, government, and education. Number 10. You should know how to cook an egg correctly. Too many people are ruining breakfast by mucking this up. Come on people, it's time to learn the right way of doing this. Runny or undercooked eggs are not only bad for your taste buds, but it could also increase your chance of getting salmonella. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.